Over here on the left is the very first series of Futurama Kidrobots. In the middle is the second, and here on the right is the third, which is kind of like a re-release in alternate paint styles. We have the first series of keychains, and then on the right, second series of keychains. I do have the complete set for series 1 and 2, and I also have the complete set for the first series of keychains. For the third series, Universe X, I am missing alternate universe Leela, the blue alternate universe Zoidberg, and gold Bender. And then for the second keychain series, I am missing Space Nibbler. As you can see, the keychains, the 3-inch regular figures, follow the same art style. Bender is the main display. For some reason, the keychains are facing sideways. The boxes are a bit more rectangular rather than square. Both boxes contains the same 12 characters. The only difference is that Robot Devil instead is the secret rare. This is what the side of the box looks like. This is the back. Here's the bottom. This is the other side, has Zoidberg. And this is what the display box looks like when it's closed for shipping. In the front of the box we have Bender. On one side we have Leela. The back shows all the figures. Zoidberg on the other side. On top we have Nibbler flying in his spacecraft and the Kidrobot logo. And at the bottom we have Futurama Kidrobot logo. Inside the box, you get the figure and a booklet. Now the booklet was given only in the first series of Futurama. So you can see here it just shows the characters and the rarities in bigger picture. Now the series 1 keychain follows a similar style. We got the same Bender. However, on the side we have half of the figures shown. On the back is Zoidberg, and on the other side is the other half of the figures. They also don't tell you what the chances are of receiving each one is. Inside the keychain, we don't get any book. The figures just come in this bag. A bag that says Kidrobot X Futurama. And here's the box size comparison. So here we're comparing Fry from the first series and the third series, the Universe X. All of the paint colors are the same except for, funny enough, his skin tone. His shirt's the same tint, his pants, his shoes, even his hair. But you can tell that his skin tone is a bit oranger or browner in the Universe X model than the first series. In Series 1, the pizza box is grayer. In Series 3, the pizza box is whiter. Now, one way to easily tell what version Kidrobot figure you have, if you look at the feet, you'll see trademark for Fox is 09 in Series 1, and the trademark for Fox in Universe X is 18. And that should be true for all figures. Looking at the keychains is the same idea, 13, and the keychain in Universe X says 18. Now we have Bender. You can see that the first series keychain and regular size figure has the same gray color. The keychain and regular size figure for Universe X, however, has a metallic finish and a slightly different tint. So this is the keychain for Universe X, and it's more blue than it is gray. However, they're both equally as shiny. When it comes to the Egyptian mask, Universe X is shinier. Series 1 actually looks a lot nicer. It looks more detailed. The snake head for Series 1 and on the back. And when it comes to Bender, obviously the gray in Series 1 is closer to his original gray in the TV show. The cigar he's holding is closer to color. The insides of their compartments remain the same. And at the bottom, here we have Leela. Her hair does have a slight purple tint difference. The original Series 1, her eyeglass is actually of a better quality. There's actually a dark shaded clear piece of plastic for the lens. In Universe X, it's just painted on. You can see what I mean when you look on the back. You could see my finger in the background here because this is actually transparent. Leela's skin is paler and closer to the cartoons in Series 1, and it's yellower in Universe X. And this is the back of Leela's head. The keychains look totally identical. And here we have Zoidberg. They did make his alternate universe blue, which I don't have. His keychain version, however, has different skin tones. All three technically have different skin tones. Zoidberg comes with this removable doctor's stethoscope. You know what I mean. This is the alternate form of Universe X Zoidberg, Blue Zoidberg, in keychain form. Now when it comes to Zapp Branigan, there's a big difference. His keychain coat is a lot redder, his Series 1 coat is a lot purpler, and his Universe X is totally different. It's a very fuzzy gown. Even though they re-released Zapp, he's technically in a different variant. This is Zapp as a captain, and this is Zapp when he's trying to woo Leela. So in Series 1, Zapp comes with the accessory Zapp Branigan's Big Book of War. It's a nice thin book that you can put into his hands. And Zapp in Universe X comes with champagne, which he offers to Leela, who then tells him that it's pronounced champagne, and then he starts crying. 18 Fox, 09 Fox. Now one thing about fuzzy Zapp here is that it picks up dust and dirt very easily, and it's hard to wipe off. So if you have this Zapp, definitely you're gonna have to keep him dust-free inside some sort of case. One more thing is his hair. Universe X's hair is more golden. Next we have Mom from Series 1. She comes with a little, looks like a toy plush pink cat. Now for the life of me, I cannot remember what this is. So if you guys know what this is, please tell me in the comments, because it's the accessory she comes with. They did not re-release Mom at all. I forgot to also show that she does have a keychain in Series 1 that's very similar. Next up we have Slurms McKenzie. This is his keychain version. It does not come with the stereo or boombox in the keychain version. The glasses are removable. In his re-release, they made the glasses brown, but they're designed and made the exact same way. The lenses are a bit darker gray in Universe X compared to Series 1. And the boombox has slightly different textures on it. It's the paint's a lot glossy and metallic in the Universe X version. This handlebar is movable in Series 1. It's not movable, however, in Universe X. So you can obviously tell a big difference between Series 1 and Universe X Slurms. One of them's neon green and glowing in the dark, and the other one is a standard beige color. This is the bottom. The heads are movable. Slurms McKenzie! So here we have Morbo, and Morbo is also just like Slurms, very easy to determine between series. His regular green paint color and his neon glow-in-the-dark color. Now he does come with vein cream in both series. The tint of the green is different. It's a darker tint in Series 1 versus a lighter tint in Universe X. My figure, unfortunately, right here has a defect with the paint job. The purple of his lip went onto his cheek a bit. Almost looks like a mole. He has nostrils in Series 1, and he does not in Universe X. Lure. The 3-inch version of Lure only exists in Series 1. So the keychain version is very identical. His skin tone might be a slightly different shade of brown. However, his eyes and teeth are clearly yellow in Series 1 and greener in Universe X. The paint job's actually more texturized in Universe X as well. In Series 1, he comes with Fishy Joe's Poplars. So I'm guessing this is a bucket of poplars that Lure is rescuing from murderous, hungry humans. The cool thing about Lure in the 3-inch version is that the cape is actually removable, and it actually comes with a stretchy rubber band, so you can stretch it over his head. I am Lure, ruler of Omicron Persei 8. Now there's supposed to be a third keychain from Universe X. It's a space Nibbler, but I do not have him. So Nibbler really is identical between Series 1 and Universe X. The only way you'd be able to tell for sure is if you look at the years and the dates at the bottom of Nibbler's feet. What's great in the 3-inch version though is that he actually comes with a little food bowl that actually says his name, Nibbler, on it, nothing on the bottom. And what's great is that it comes with a chicken, perfect to throw in his food bowl. Another thing with Nibbler is that you can behead him and remove his cape. So if for some reason you wanted Nibbler without the cape, you can do that. Next up is the Robot Devil. He's only available in Series 1 keychain form. In case you didn't know, he is probably the rarest figure when it comes to Series 1. He is a lot easier to get in Universe X. Now you can tell that his paint job is more accurate to the show in Series 1. However, I kinda really dig his Universe X paint. It has a very nice dual tone metallic red to it. His violin and bow staff are shiny gold compared to brown. And his tail is a lot more flexible in Universe X. Series 1 would actually have a higher chance of snapping due to it being a lot stiffer. His legs and upper torso is connected as one piece. However, in Series 1, his head and torso are separate. That means you actually have more articulation in Series 1. My Universe X one also has a front heavy problem. He will always fall forward. And I feel like mine might have a defect on his feet. He will only stand still if he's looking to the side. What you looking at? And next we have Sal. He comes with Bachelor Chow. So Sal's only in Series 1. He does have his keychain counterpart. His keychain only has 2 nipple hairs, while he has a lot more chest hairs in the 3-inch one, including a belly button being shown. He still has the hair sticking out on the keychain version. So his head turns and his hands move. You can see the dots of his facial hair around his face, his lazy eyes. The hat does not come off, it's one piece. That's what it looks like with his head popped off. Whoa, 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 I feel like they should have gave him a cigarette because he always is smoking one. And one more thing, I thought I'd bring in the gold bender from Universe X keychains so you can see how he compares to the other two.